in the pasture again, making another announcement for the Feast of Tabernacles 2018. We've just had some wonderful deluxe cabins open up. In fact, the whole of Kellogg Springs now is going to be available for Torah to the Tribes feast keepers. There was another sewing group that was going to be there a few days, and they've decided to cancel, so the whole facility is open to Torah to the Tribes feast keepers. That's great news for you. That's great news for you in the deluxe cabin department. We don't have any tent sites left. We don't have any RV sites left. But for the next 2 weeks, we are extending the registration. Follow the description below to get yourself into one of the deluxe cabins that have just become available. Remember, this feast site is a new adventure for Torah to the Tribes. It's fully equipped. It's a great place not only for adults, but for the youth and for children. This is a family site. We have a lot going on. We have an amazing time ahead of us, a devout time. We want to draw together in community and invite you this next 2 weeks. Get ready, register below, and I hope to see you in just a few short weeks. The city on the hill at the majestic Kellogg Springs Retreat. Shalom.